The course that we're teaching now is level 1 of a 3-part course. The whole thing is going to take you from absolutely nothing to being able to have a online business where you create and sell your own products, and you even have other people selling your products for you. We're not going to jump straight to that though, because there's a lot of foundational work that needs to be done first. Again, a lot of people make the mistake of spending far too much time building their initial product and then launching out into the world and just kind of hoping for the best. Instead of doing that, we are going to build up a community, start to capture the details of that community, start to engage that community, get the community involved in what we're creating, and then launch a product based on community feedback, based on what we know the community wants, rather than staying in stealth mode for years and years and years, creating a product and then just kind of hoping that it's going to be the right product for our audience. Instead, we're going to co-opt the audience and we're going to co-opt our tribe into the creation of this product. So very briefly, we have at the bottom here, level 1. That's what we're watching now. This is the foundations. This is getting the basis of our business in place, working out what the value proposition is, working out who our market is, and then starting to build an audience and starting to build a tribe using that information. We are going to be offering a product or a service. We are going to be generating revenue, absolutely, but that's not going to be the focus right now. The focus right now is building a name for ourselves, building a brand, and telling the world what it is we do, and then making sure that people actually care. Then we're going to worry about converting people later on. So level 1, foundations. The primary tools are going to be social media. So we're going to be using someone else's platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google. We're going to be using another company's platform to build our presence. Okay, that's because it's easiest to do on other people's platforms, because they have pre-existing built-in audiences, and we're just going to tap into those audiences and show them what we have to offer. Level 2 though is where we say, okay, it's fine having an audience and a tribe in Facebook or in Instagram or on YouTube, but I want a home for myself. And this home is going to be a website, it's going to be a web page, but it's going to be a hub where we have all of our content, where we have all of our community, and where we bring everything that we do on the various social media channels, or live events or anything at all. We bring them all into one place and we say, this is where we are. We set up shop in a particular place, our hub. So a lot of businesses, they do this the other way around. They build a website first, and then worry about getting people to it. Instead, we're going to build an audience and then build a website to take people to. So we're flipping the normal script on its head. And we're only going to bother to build a proper website, a proper blog, when we have enough audience for it to be worthwhile, and when we have enough content to fill out this hub. So we're not just going to start with a blank page and start and hope for the best. Instead, we're going to go in backwards, which is much more sensible. And we're going to build a hub for our pre-existing tribe. And then the third level is based on all the feedback we've been getting from our foundational social media and from our tribe in our hub on our website. We are then going to start producing purpose-built products. And we're actually going to produce the first draft of these products with our community. We're going to hop into places like Facebook Live or on our website and use our existing tribe and our existing audiences as kind of the first run for our various products. So I might, for example, deliver a training like this live on Facebook Live and use feedback to get to refine this product before I sit down and record it all in front of a camera. The reason for this is, again, too many people build a product in secret, release it, and then realize, oh, the market didn't actually want this. Instead, we are building something with the help of the market, knowing that there's built-in demand because of that. And it also allows us to stop worrying about perfection and to get on with producing the content we need to. And this is a massive psychological block for a lot of people that I work with. Instead, if we just have a closed group that we know, and we have our expertise, and we have an easy to use medium like through Facebook Live or through our website and webinars, we can just start to deliver this content, start to create, and then from there refine it into a product that we take out to the world. For this, when we do build the product, we're going to use something called an LMS. LMS is a learning management system. You might have seen something like this before, like Udemy or Coursera, or if you've ever bought an online course. It's where you have various videos and text and PDFs and audio files all within a website where you can go from one lesson to the next. So unlike YouTube, where you can go anywhere and see anything, an LMS, again, that's a learning management system, is a very nice way to contain educational content that you're then delivering to your audience. So for a lot of the businesses that we'll be building using the BATON method, we are going to be focusing on the end result of educational material that we deliver through an LMS. That's not going to be the ultimate sale. We can have webinars, we can have workshops, we can have consulting, we can have retreats. I mean, we can go anywhere with our funnel, but having a core product that's educational, built within an LMS, which sits inside your website and is driven by your social audience and your social tribe, that's going to be the stepping stones that we're building. Don't worry about the big picture right now. Just trust that we are going to be building solid foundations first, then stepping up, building our own home online, our own hub to bring our audience to. And then from there, based on what our audience actually want, we're going to start to produce products. And again, we're actually going to be producing and creating revenue at every stage, level 1, 2, and 3. But it's really at level 3 where we go exponential, and we really focus on driving revenue and profit. So this is an overlook of the whole journey we'll be taking. Each of these can be done in a month or two, depending on how much help you have, how much experience you have. So the fact that there are 3 levels, don't let that dissuade you from thinking, oh, okay, no, this is doable. We're just going to start slow, and then once you have your confidence, we're going to move through the next levels in sequence. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If not, drop us a comment and we're happy to go through it with you.